In this part 21, we'll be looking at rhymes. I told you when we started part 20 that the area of orals is one area that many JAMBites, many of you writing JAMB, fail. You know what I mean? People fail it with distinction, right? Because often people run away from orals because it could be complicated, right? But what I started doing for you from part 20 is we are looking at questions, popular questions, expected questions, expo questions, past questions on the area of orals. Those areas that JAMB often asks questions from, right? So I want you to pay real attention. Just give me your ears, give me your attention as we begin to look at questions in orals. Questions in the area of orals is something that none of you can run away from. Okay? Remember that what you are watching is part 21. You will still need to go back to part 1. On the use of English, we have been doing videos part 1, part 2, part 3, part 10, all the parts until part 20. Now we are in part 21. After part 21, there will still be 22 and 23 and all the rest. Okay? Let's now dive into tests of orals. Now, this one we are looking at rhymes, including homophones. Okay? Question number 1. Which of the following words rhymes with light? Which of the following words rhymes with light? A. Beat. B. Kite. C. Lit. D. Sit. We have light, then we have beat, we have kite, we have lit, we have sit. Of course, the answer is B. Kite. You say light, then you say kite. They rhyme together. Are you still with me? Identify the word that rhymes with round. Identify the word that rhymes with round. A. Sound. B. Found. C. Bound. D. All of the above. Let's look at the question again. Identify the word that rhymes with round. A. Sound. B. Found. C. Bound. You can say that all of them rhymes together. So the answer is what? All of the above. Are you following? Remember that we have done several other videos. This is part 21. If you need me to give you access to the other videos we have done from part 1, 2, 3 till now we are in 21, just let me know in the comment. Just tell me to give you the link to all the videos we have done on use of English. Okay? Now, let's look at question number 3. Which of these words does not rhyme with the others? Which of these words does not rhyme with the others? A. Tree. B. C. Free. D. I. Of course, you see that I is off target. Tree, C, free, I. The answer is D. I does not rhyme with the others. Our target in this channel, why I keep dropping videos for you every single day, is that you will enter school this year. Our target is that you will write this JAMB and get admission this year. Not only you will get admission, you will get admission into that preferred school you are looking for, and also into that preferred course you want to study. I want you to claim it. Type I claim it. Your JAMB score will be 300 and above, nothing less. You will not present to me 170, 130 score in JAMB. No. You will be one of the high flyers. I want you to claim it in the comment section. Type I claim it. And if you claim it, I want us to work hard. It will not fall from the moon. 300 and above will not fall from the moon. I mean, getting admission will not fall from the moon. Right? So we need to work harder. The word gate rhymes with dash. The word gate rhymes with dash. A. Hate. B. Set. C. Mate. D. Both A and C. The answer is it rhymes with hate and mate. So it is both A and C. The answer is D. Are you still with me? Are you still following? Identify the odd word that does not rhyme with the others. Identify the odd word that does not rhyme with the others. Identify the odd word that does not rhyme with the others. A. Cool. B. Fool. C. Tool. D. Doll. Cool, fool, tool, doll. You already know that doll is dulling out. It did not rhyme with the rest. Okay, that is why I normally tell you, anytime you are given a question, the first step to do is understand the instruction, understand the question before you attempt to answer. What did I say? Understand the question before you make any attempt to answer. Okay, let's look at this question. Question number 6. Which of the following words is a homophone of right? Which of the following word is a homophone of right? A. Right. B. Rate. C. Right. Of course, homophones are words that have the same sound. They have phonetic sounds similar. The phonetic sounds may not be it may not be the same, but they have similar phonetic sounds. So you have right and right, the same sound but different spelling. You have right, R-I-G-H-T. They have right, R-W-R-I-T-E. They have right, R-I-T-E. All of them have the same sound but different spellings. Okay, so the answer, I hope you are learning. The whole essence of this video is for you to learn, not for you to just watch. I have told you, in this year's JAMB, over 2 million persons registered. 2-point-something million for the first time. Last year it was 1-point-something. You can see that the competition for admission this year will be tougher. The competition for admission, because there is more number trying to enter into the few universities we have in the country. There are also people that registered outside the country for JAMB that want to come and gain admission in Nigeria. That is why I need you to study harder. If you have been reading for 30 minutes, read harder. Read with syllables, read with your past question. By the way, I'm going to give you a gift. At the end of this video, if you watch this particular video till the end, I will give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question on use of English and the other subjects we'll be writing. They are very, very important. Very, very, very important. I need you to watch this video. If you watch this video, this particular part 21 you are watching from now to the end, you will qualify to get past questions and syllables free from me. Identify the correct homophone pair. Understand this question though. Identify the correct homophone pair. A. Son and son. B. C and C. C. Dear and dear. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Son, son, C, C, dear, dear. All of the above, they are all homophones. Okay? JAMB like asking this kind of question. That is why people dodge tests of orals, but you can't dodge it though. Whether you are writing WAEC, NECO, JAMB, any exam, as far as it is English, use of English, you cannot run away from orals. Also, another very important thing to consider is that beyond tests of orals, there is also an aspect of, in JAMB, there is also an aspect of the JAMB novel. Every year, JAMB sets 10 to 15 questions, between 10 to 20 questions from tests from a JAMB novel, from a novel that they bring out, right? And this year, they have brought out a novel. In our channel, we have done a lot. I've done over 50 videos on Lucky Headmaster. I've done over 50 videos on the JAMB novel. If you need me to give you access to all the videos we have done on the JAMB novel for this year, it doesn't matter the year you are watching this video, whether it's 2026, 2025, 2024, tell me, just mention the name of the JAMB novel and tell me to give you the link to all the videos you have done, both reading it, both expo questions, expected questions, past questions from that novel. If you watch the videos I create, if you start watching, whether we have done videos on chemistry, physics, government, literature, economics, mathematics, biology, all these subjects. If you are writing any of them, just tell me, mention the name of the subject and tell me to give you the link to all the videos you have done on those subjects. And guess what? When you get them, begin from part 1, watch them over and over again. They will prepare you. They really will prepare you for the coming exam. The homophone of bear is dash. A, bear. B, beer. C, ball. D, bead. Of course, the answer is A, beer. B-A-R-E and B-E-A-R have the same sound. Number 9. Choose the correct homophone for floor. Choose the correct homophone for floor. A, flower. 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 The correct homophone for floor. A, flower. B, flow. C, floor. D, flyer. The correct homophone for flower is flower. A, although we used to call it flower. But it's not flower. It's flower. Okay. Which of these is a homophone of peace? Peace. A, peace. B, peace. C, pias. D, pass. The answer is simple. The answer is B. Peace. P-E-A-C-E. And peace, like piece of cloth. P-I-E-C-E. All have the same sound, but different spelling. These videos I make, are they even helpful to you? Sometimes I feel I'm wasting my time. If they are helpful to you, please tell me in the comment section. If you are benefiting from these videos, let me know. If they are helpful to you, if they are helping you to study and pass, let me know. It will motivate me to make more. It will help me to know that I'm not wasting my time in creating these videos for you. Question number 11. Words with similar but not exact rhymes. These ones are words with similar but not exact rhymes. A, the word move almost rhymes with what? A, love. B, groove. C, prove. The answer is B and C. Move rhymes with love and prove. Which word has a near rhyme with word? A, head. B, cord. C, sword. D, Lord is head. Word. Head. B is cord. C is sword. D is Lord. But word, W-O-R-D is not word. It's word. And H-E-A-R-D is head. So you can see word and head. Are you following? Are you following? Identify the word that does not rhyme with new. The word that does not. Identify the word that does not rhyme with new. A, blue. B, you. C, few. D, no. Of course, the answer is no. New, blue, you, few. The answer is no. No does not rhyme with new. Are you following? Which of these words does not share the same ending sound? Which of these words does not share the same ending sound? A, high. B, sky. D, lie. D, pay. High, sky, lie. They have pay. Pay is not rhyming with the same ending sound at all. Are you seeing how I'm answering this question? That will help you to answer. The word do rhymes with what? The word with do rhymes with what? A, to. B, true. C, rough. D, thought. Of course, it's A. To, do, and to. Do and to. Do and to. They rhyme together. Are you following? Application of rhymes in sentences. Which of these words best rhyme with said? A, read. B, read. C. Bed, D. Both A and C. Said, we have read and bed. They rhyme together. The word sight rhymes with what? A. Sight, B. Sight, C. Both A and B. Then D. Side. Of course, it's both A and B. Sight and sight. Choose the word that does not rhyme with rain. Choose the word that does not rhyme with rain. A. Main. B. Gain. C. Lane. D. Ran. You already know the answer. The answer is D. Please, if you need me to give you the access to all other videos I've done on use of English from part 1 to all the parts, just tell me in the comment section. Just tell me to give you link to the videos I've done on use of English. Also, if you need me to also give you videos I've done, all of them on physics, chemistry, economics, maths, government, literature, biology, just tell me, just mention the subject and tell me to give you the link, okay? Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question. Choose the word that does not rhyme with rain. A. Main. B. Gain. C. Okay, I've already answered that. Number 19. Which of these words is a homophone of whole? Whole. Whole. A. Whole. B. Hall. C. Hail. D. Head. Whole. We have whole. D. Hall. C. Hail. D. Head. I will not answer question 19. I want you to tell me the answer in the comment section. Right? Just tell me the answer of question 19. And then question 20. Which of these pairs consists of two rhyming words? Which of these pairs consists of two rhyming words? A. Both and but. Right and right. Look and book. Also tell me the answer of question 21. In our next video, we will continue from where we stopped. If you need to get free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question, what you need to do 4 things. Do 4 things. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1, like this video. No, number 1, join our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. You can see the option to join in this channel. Just tap on join and join our YouTube channel. Number 2, when you join our YouTube channel, number 2 is like this video. Click on like. Number 3, share this video. Click on share. Share it here on YouTube. Copy the link when you click on share. Share it on WhatsApp status. Share it on WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, Twitter platforms, Telegram groups that you belong to. Share it with your classmates and colleagues. Then finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Once you click on subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Once I see you type I subscribe, I will chat you up and send you all the materials I promise you. There's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now. Click on it and do what? Watch now.